Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I'd like to show you how to make Shamdrey. Shamdrey is Tibetan traditional food. Basically, Shamdrey means rice and meat. It's really common Tibetan food. If you say Shamdrey, everybody knows the Shamdrey. Today is really cold day, so we're gonna make it. Ingredients are: you need soy sauce, rice, water mushroom, meat, ginger, cumin, garlic, green onion, cilantro, onion, and potatoes. Also, I use the beef bouillon. I'm using jasmine rice, and also you can use basmati or whatever rice you like to use. It doesn't matter. Bony meat, this make the broth. I'm using 2 of them for today. Also, you need a beef, so I'm using sirloin steak. And this is the we call water mushroom, dry mushroom. So basically, you have to soak it in hot water. If you have time, you can soak it overnight. That'd be the best. Since I don't have the time, I'm gonna soak it in hot water, probably 20 minutes. Also, this one called cloud ear. I call black mushroom. I call water mushroom because they tended to grow in a kind of wet area. That's why we call water mushroom. I'm using the water mushroom. You don't have to have. Many Tibetan people don't use it, so I just use it myself. I like to eat it. I'm adding the hot water, so you have to soak it in 20 minutes. You have to put plenty hot water, and the mushroom soaks the water. Next, I'm gonna make the broth. Basically, I add 2 bony meat. Basically, whatever bony meat you can get, you can use it. You can have the oxtail or rib bones, whatever. I'm using 2 of them. So also I add 3 cups of water. So let's boil it. While I'm cooking my broth, I'm gonna chop the rest of my ingredients. I'm chopping the garlic pretty small, but you don't have to chop really small. The water is boiling pretty strong, so I'm going to turn down the heat on low. I'm almost kind of medium low, and it should cook like this, basically. This one I'm going to cut pretty big, quite a big piece. It's kind of medium size. Now I'm cutting the meat. The meat is, you can cut fairly largish, but I'm cutting kind of medium size. Also, this meat is frozen. Normally, I like to cut like little frozen meat because it's much easier to cut for me. That's why I just froze a little bit. This is the size you want. Now I'm chopping the ginger. So I'm gonna use a little bit of ginger. This gives you the flavor. So also I'm using the fresh ginger. Also, I think there's a powdered ginger. You can use this. And in Tibet, if we don't get the fresh ginger, this is about a tablespoon of ginger. I used 1 green onion, and I'm using about a half cup of chopped cilantro. I'm gonna peel the potato, so I just do it by knife. Now I'm gonna cut the potato. Basically, I'm gonna cut like one like half, then another half, then I just cut like this size. I soaked the water mushroom about 20 minutes in hot water, so it's ready to clean. Basically, you have to get rid of all the hard part of this part of bottom part of the mushroom. This is not edible. Basically, it's really hard. So I just keep the top part of kind of softer edge, and then get rid of all those big hard stuff and just get rid of them. So also after you clean this up, you get rid of all the bottom stem. Then you have to clean really well because they have stones, dirt. After I clean up the black water mushroom, it's pretty much maybe almost more than half was just have to throw out because unusable. Now I'm gonna add in the broth. So this one you can cook for a long time. I just add the water mushroom in the broth. Now I'm gonna turn on the heat pretty high until broth is starting to boiling again. I'm gonna cook 20 more minutes here with the mushroom and broth together, kind of. Now I'm gonna cook the rest ingredients. I'm gonna add a little oil. Use 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna add cumin. Okay. And then I'll add onion, ginger, garlic. I'm gonna stir fry this for a while, maybe in 2 minutes. Basically, until it gets brown, the onion and the garlic. Then I will add the meat. The cumin smells pretty good right now. So I'm gonna add the meat. I'm gonna stir fry the meat until meat totally gets brown. It shouldn't be red. Now I'm gonna add emmer, and also I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and I'm gonna add the bit oil. So soon as the meat is really completely brown, then I'm gonna add the broth. Here. So I'm gonna cook maybe another 15 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna add potato. Basically, you have to mix pretty well. I want to get the flavor everywhere, so potato will have the good flavor. Also, keep in mind, don't cook the potato too much, otherwise you're going to be really soggy. It's pretty good. The soup are pretty good. After finished, now I'm going to add some garnish. Shamdrey is basically rice and meat. Basically, I'm gonna separately, and people can eat together or separately. This is the final result. So I'm gonna test now. The flavor is excellent. I cooked the broth almost like close to 2 hours, so that makes really good taste. This is the best flavor I made so far. You want to eat this right away. We always curious about what are you gonna do this recipe. We really appreciate it if you give us a comment. Thank you for watching this video.